If you're experiencing difficulties with your 2-point single or double fire exit door, follow our troubleshooting guide to alleviate the issue. Following installation, you may find the chute bolt rods need adjusting to suit the way your door has been fitted. Firstly, check that the top chute bolt is engaged in the trip catch by pushing the push bar down. If it isn't engaged in the trap correctly, it will be extended into the lock position and will hit the frame. If the problem continues, check the chute bolts at the top and the bottom of the door aren't hitting the frame. In this instance, they will be too long. If they are, they will require adjusting so that they retract into the trap correctly. Remove the Allen screw either above or below the push bar, or both, and wind the chute bolt in or out until your door catches correctly. You can then replace the screw. If you've purchased an Exidor 322 outside access device with a security cylinder upgrade, you will need to replace the existing cylinder with the high security version. To do this, simply remove the back plate, then remove the screw holding the cylinder in place. You can then replace this with the higher security alternative supplied.